Okay, hello everyone out there in Facebook and YouTube land. Decided to come to Stevens and Milford today, help fight breast cancer. All cancers, we got to defeat this disease, it's killing us all. Anyway, I took the 64 Lincoln today, and now we're going to take a walk around the yard. Oh, there's some Mercuries here. A couple of old Mercuries. Look at this. 2 old Mercuries. Twin carburetor. Look at this, Dad. What year? It's like 47? 46, 47? Something like that. 48? No, 46? Something. 46. They're beautiful. Beautiful. Ford. I don't know what this is. Studebaker. What kind of car is this one now? 41 Merc. 41 Merc. First 41 Merc. Some of these cars I know, I've seen. What are these decals? Or somebody painted that? Beautiful day for a show, man. Very thirsty though. I should have took my water bottle. I'm real thirsty. Look at this 63 Plymouth. We've ran into this car a few times. This is a beautiful Golden Commando. Yes, man. And it's a push button tranny. Push button. Plymouth Duster. Look at this. I used to have a 1970. I missed. Look at this here. Army Jeep. Alright, we gotta walk back to my car and get my bottle of water. I'm dying of thirst. And take a look at this row of cars as we go. Where did I do with my water bottle? There it is. Nice Cougar here. Go. Oh, what's this? What's this car? Wait a minute now. Here's one I haven't seen. I have not seen this before. It's a Mercury Cyclone GT 1966. Yeah, I've never seen this. A little thing like this with the 390. This thing must get up and go, baby. This thing must get up and go like my Monty does. With that motor in there, probably even better. Now, next car is a Corvette. And what is this thing? Teeny tiny. What's it called? Oh, it's a smart car. The Hot Wheels edition. Oh my. I don't know about that. I like this. This is a nice Corvette. 1950s Vet. We got a Chrysler Cordoba. What year is this? 78? 75. 75. All right. Buick Grand National. All right, now we're gonna come over here. Yeah, there we go. Monte Carlo. Something.
All original, and it came factory with all the
73 Monte Carlo. Look at this.
And everything they eat and stuff, I got in crates at home.
Nice.
So I've got this.
And it's for sale too. They're asking 13. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Wish I had the 13 to give him. I'd buy it in a minute.
Air cleaner sits down nice and low.
Look at this, 318 Coronet. Oh, the motor says 318, but it's a 440 Coronet. This thing used to have a 440 in it, I think. I don't know. I don't think that's the original. I don't know. Camaro, 70? 71? 73? Yeah, 96 Chevy truck. That ain't that old. Yeah, I love this paint. Look at that color, man. Look at that color. Candy apple red. That's a two-stage. I could tell that's two-stage paint. 57 is beautiful. Look. Lovely car. 289 Mustang. How you doing? Look at this Cadillac, man. 56. It's beautiful. Look at this caddy. I love caddies. Caddies and Lincolns. Nice Cadillac. I love this thing. This thing is convertible. It's beautiful. Nice. Oh, really nice. Model 62, and it's a 1956. There we go, Pontiac. GTO, I believe. I know Le Mans, excuse me. Le Mans. What do we got here? 4-door, it's all shaved. Shoebox. Convertible. Let's see what we got here. The 409. How about that Impala? Look at this bitch. Woohoo. Nice. Look at this 68 Dodge Super B. Nice car, nice car. Another really nice car. Pink T-Bird, Betty Boop. Betty Boop. Get along, here's GTO. Z28. Studebaker Avanti. Got a Corvette. Chevy Nova. Interesting intake on the Nova. Very interesting intake here. Tuned. It's not the original motor. The Corvette motor in there. Yeah. 32 Ford Roadster. What is it? It's a 51 Chevy, and it's for sale. I wonder how much they asking. Here, we'll get here's a little paint help over there, and there. And